So I'm just gonna play, watching my eyes go away, Dr. Play, watching my eyes go away, Dr. Play, watching my eyes go away.
Welcome back, YouTube family. Guys, we are back, and I would like to say happy Turkey Day to everybody. I'm not too sure exactly what day I'm going to put this out as far as the holiday, but I'm just going ahead and do this one so we can have it prepared. So if it come out Thanksgiving, it'll be out Thanksgiving. If not, it'll be out sometime around that time. But anyway, this year, guys, we are going to do a cider. I never really approached the cider, but this is another one that I was trying to get prepared by the time the end of the year comes for a contest competition that I'm trying to enter for next year. So we're going to keep it simple, but yet hopefully a little bit complex at the same time, because I have some of my Arizona mesquite honey that I picked up when I was up in Arizona, and this one I'll probably put on the screen as far as the flavor profile, but hopefully it should impart some of its smoky character, some of that mesquite flavor, along with the apple for this one. And like as you see, all we're using is a gallon of our apple juice, which doesn't have no preservative or anything like that to stunt our yeast growth. And we're using some peptic enzyme to help clear this out, guys. About half a and I'm so sorry about that. Out of the blue, the power went out. It just out of nowhere, the power went out, and I know I paid the light bill, so that ain't the problem. But anyway, we're gonna continue. We have peptic enzyme. We're gonna use half a teaspoon of that to help us clear up this apple cider, because like I said, I'm trying to get my stuff as clear as possible, and if later need be, I might use some other method to help clear it up, but for right now we're using peptic enzyme. Like I said, that mesquite honey, we're using 2 pounds of the mesquite, and we're also going to be using some BM 4x4 for this one. And like I said, guys, this one is a simple one. I'm pretty much gonna go through this video quick, because it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's all we need: yeast, apple juice, and honey. But let's get to this process, guys.